Alright, today we're going to be showing the toy USB retention cable, or the toy USB R. It's going to be connected behind the radio, so we're going to go ahead and show you that real quick. Just pull out the radio. And once we get that out, we're going to be looking for our USB connection. It's just a male version of the retention cable, so it's kind of easy to spot. It looks just like that on the inside, so kind of a longer plug. And then we're going to be taking our USB extension that we have ran back here. So we've already ran a female to back here. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take the factory plug that we unplugged, we're going to connect it to our retention cable. Just like that. You'll take the male USB end, then you're going to plug it into the female here. And then it finishes the loop from the VLine all the way to the USB hub. And once we get that done, plug this in. And your install behind the radio is complete for the retention cable. And then we're going to be showing you, this is the USB hub that is actually compatible with it. It's a lot smaller than these USB hubs like this. This one's just straight USB to USB, whereas this one has an actual circuit board in it and all that. So if you do have one that's this size, it's not going to be compatible at the moment. We're working on it for the future, but for now, this one's not compatible, and these smaller ones like this are going to be compatible. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and plug it up just to demonstrate here. So just plug that in here, plug in the phone, and we'll see up here the CarPlay icon goes green, so just select that. As you can see, we've got CarPlay working through the factory USB.